Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you saw in the title, we are finally going to do another Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing. So I did kind of skip September, but not really. I do have September's included in this October's unboxing. I'm super excited. If you do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription. They are part of Ipsy now, so it is Boxycharm by Ipsy. I will go ahead and leave their link down below. In the subscription, you do get 5 full-size products. There are different tiers and different ones you can subscribe to. The one that I have, you get 5 full-size products. You do get to choose 3 out of those products, which is pretty cool. And then they pick 2 power picks for you, which is something that they think that you will enjoy based on the survey that you fill out. This video is not sponsored, but hey, if they want to, hit me up. If you go back, my very first video that I filmed on YouTube was a Boxycharm unboxing video. It was a very easy video to just kind of dip my toes into the YouTube world. At that time, I think I did the unboxing and then I did the try-ons. I stopped doing try-ons because I felt like I was just opening everything up and I just couldn't use everything. So I rather just, open some things up, but keep some things off to the side as backups and then open them as I need them. We're going to be a little less wasteful around here, okay? I do sometimes give products away to friends and family if I really feel like I'm not going to use it, but if you are looking to grow your collection and kind of try what's out there, I do like this subscription. And I do think that this is a good subscription to subscribe to if you're looking to grow your makeup collection or even your skincare collection. You do get makeup, skincare, makeup tools, hair care and tools. It's a pretty good box, if you ask me. Like always, I will have the prices somewhere floating around me of how much each product is worth on its own if you would go to the store and buy it, and then the total of the box at the end. My September one came in a little bit of a thicker box than my October one. I was like, did I get the right box? Did everything come in it? But yeah, everything did come in it. This one is just a little bit more slimmer than the other one. But yeah, so this one is my September box. The first thing I got is from Toy Factory. It's the Oat Bay Hyaluronic Oat Milk Oil Makeup Remover. So whenever I see makeup removers, I'm like, yes please. I think water or something spilled on this box because oh that's why. Okay. So I don't know what the heck happened, but this is like leaking. This was not like that. So, and I did not open this either, so I think I have no idea what the heck. I don't know how this is leaking, but it's leaking. It wasn't leaking, so my daughter could have got into this because this was sitting for a while. But yeah, so some of it is missing already, which kind of stinks, but it is what it is. But yeah, it's very milky but also liquidy. I'm gonna go rinse this off actually. I'm really excited to use that. Well, what's left of that. Cause I'm like, why is the box felt so wet, and I thought maybe my daughter spilled a water bottle or something on it because it didn't smell like anything. But yeah. Okay. Next, I got this is a cleansing foam it's the Glass Skin Tangahulu. I think Shine Muscat. I don't know. But anyways, there's I hate when boxes have so many different titles and names. I'm like, what is it? So this is what it is. I think it's from Olivia Uma. So this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. I like how fun it looks. I love the color of the packaging, the teal with the yellow. It's just so fun. So I cannot wait to give this a try either because I don't know. I'm always so excited to use new skincare products and cleansers and things like that. So to be honest, I cannot remember what products I chose and what products Boxycharm by Ipsy chose. So I think I don't remember. So I know one of the things that they chose for me, I did not choose because I don't really choose these products a whole lot, is the Nara Cream Eyeshadow. It's the YC collection. I have no idea. I will say that I did open this up and try it already, and it looks really nice and pretty. On the eyes. It's like a taupey, not a taupey, it's a bronzy shade, but it's a little more neutral when you put it on. But It's really, really pretty. But yeah, so I did not choose this though because I don't normally wear a whole lot of cream eyeshadows, but it was a nice product. Another product that I was really, really excited to get is from, it's from Lunar Beauty, and it is the lip pencil. So if you guys do not know, Lunar Beauty is Manny MUA's brand. I love when you open it up, there's like a moon. Ah! That's how you know you have his products, if there's a moon somewhere, right? But you get two, not one, but two lip pencils. So one is in the shade Doodle and the other one is in the shade Blushing. I'm just gonna swatch. Ooh, Doodle. It's like a really nice, like a pinky, dark pinky shade. Kind of like a Your Lips Look Better type of moment. And then Blushing. Blushing is a little bit more like your peachy. I will say that I wish I got different shades because these shades are not like, oh my god, you know what I mean? I'm a nude girl, okay? When I put on a lip color, I like to start with a nude. But I will try to wear these and just kind of see. I don't know about this shade here, but this shade here I will definitely be able to wear and make work. I thought Blushing was going to be a little bit more nude, but yeah, that doesn't look the same at all. But that's okay. We support Manny, so. And then the last product in the box, I do remember choosing this product. This is from Il Makiage, and this is their Bootylicious Mineral Baked Blush. Who does not like a baked blush? Okay, love it. Made in Italy, so you know it's gonna be good. And this one is in the shade, oh, is that what it's called? Oh, maybe the shade is called Bootylicious. Look at that nice peachy shade. Oh yes, look at that. So pretty, so pretty. I'm definitely gonna have to wear it more in the winter time because these shades don't show up on me too well in the summertime. As much as I like wearing them in the summertime, if I get too much of a tan, they just won't show up. But that's what it looks like. It's a nice peachy. And this is how much September's box was worth altogether. So if I were to go out and buy each thing individually, that's how much I would have been spending. But I think Boxycharm is like $29, I think, with tax. So it's like with tax, you're paying like, I don't know, 30, 31, something like that. I don't know. But no more than that. So it's so worth it. Okay. Now for October. So for October, it is spooky season. Beauty Nightmares. What? Spooky makeup. Okay. Alright, I'm very excited for this box as well. So for skincare, we got the Klairs Vitamin C and E Serum. It's 94% natural. It is for brightening, minimizes enlarged pores, corrects uneven skin tone for all skin types. So I am like really, really excited to try this out. So I'm gonna put it back in its bottle. It's in like a darker bottle, which usually vitamin C is. If you get a vitamin C serum and it is like in a clear, not protected bottle at all, like this, even this is a little bit like a little too sheer for my liking. Don't even get it because vitamin C cannot, like, does get affected by like the sunlight, like the light. So that's what I heard. So that's why really good vitamin C products are like in a really, really dark brown bottle. And then actually the rest is all makeup. So I did get the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix 24-hour spray. And for this one, I do remember the vitamin C is something that Boxycharm picked out for me. This is a product that I picked. It kind of gives me MAC vibes, but yeah. This is the setting spray, and I'm very excited for that because who doesn't like a good setting spray? Another product that I chose was the Kimchi Chic Set and Bake Powder. This one is in the shade Translucent. And I've also heard really good things about this powder. So when I saw it on there as an option, hold on guys. I'm ripping it, okay? I'm ripping it. God, look at this packaging. That is so cute. Oh my god. And look at you get this cute little puffy with it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I am so excited. Is it going to smooth me like the Huda Beauty or the One Size? We will see. Okay, we will see. And then Boxycharm did choose this product for me. It's the Dewy Skin Glass Glow Skin Tint. I did go ahead and open this up and swatch the shade because I was very interested to see if 030 worked for me. And I will say that this is going to have to most likely be a winter skin tint, which is fine because, you know, it seems to be a bit dewy, so dry skin might work better with this. But also it is very sheer too, so I don't know, it might not matter, but it's like a little squeezy. So yeah, so I've seen this a lot on their little shopping sites area, and I always see was like maybe, but then I don't know. Dewy with all these like drops on the box just kind of freaked me out a bit because I don't like my skin tints to be like really dewy and wet and slippery, so we will see. And then last but not least, we did go ahead and get a Tarte blush. This one is in the shade Pink. I do have like a small version of it. I got it during like a holiday, during the holiday times. The Tarte gives those like little gift sets at Ulta, and I got it. It came with, I think, 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. So I do have the shade already, but it's nice to have it in like a full size. If I remember correctly, I think for me, it kind of shows up more like a blush topper, like to give, like you know, the tint is there, but it's not it won't show up on me, like the color's not really showing up a whole lot. It's more glow than pigment, which is weird because they do have highlighters as well, so it's kind of weird how glowy these products are and the pigment isn't really there. So, but anyways, we got a full size, so that's cute. It's just crazy how Charlotte Tilbury's packaging popped off one year and now everybody like is coming out with it. Insane. That is everything. I can't believe we flew. And this is the value of the October box. So as you can see, guys, you're paying like $30 and change a month, once a month, and that's how much you're getting in return. This was so much fun. Please let me know down below what you received in your Boxycharm. I want to know, what was your favorite product? What brands do you want to see more of in Boxycharm? Let me know. Until next time, bye guys.